Hello, you're welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Google Maps. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you the idea or the strategy we are going to implement to make this work, and I'm also going to be showing you all the applications that we are also going to be using. And the most interesting thing about this is that it is applicable worldwide, and in fact my first client was from US. Then you don't even need any experience to get started. If you watch this whole video to the end, you'll be able to start right immediately you finish watching this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you everything step by step. And I'm also even going to be showing you the mail that gave me my first $200. So without further ado, let's get our hands dirty. So this is the idea or strategy we are going to be using. We are going to be searching for businesses on Google. Then the businesses that don't rank high enough, we are going to actually message them and tell them that we can help them rank high enough. So that's just how it is. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get those businesses, how you can message them, and also how to help their business rank high on Google. So in order to make that happen, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you pick a niche. So there are different niches out there, and there are different businesses in those niche. So let us say we have the restaurant, we have maybe fitness, we have salon, we have the physiotherapist. There are so many like that. We have the law firm and so on and so forth. So it depends on who you feel you want to target. So you pick a niche. Then the next thing you need to do is to search for that niche in the preferred location that you want. So let us say you want to target physiotherapists that are located in New York. So what you can just do is just to go to Google, then search for physiotherapist in New York. So Google will bring out the physiotherapists that are located in New York. Then what you have to do is to look for the businesses that are not ranking high enough. Then you make your research on them and message them that you can actually help them rank high. The next thing is to pick the low ranking businesses. Then you make some more research about them and you send them a message. That's just basically what we are going to be doing. So now let me now show you the apps that we are going to be using. So the first app we are going to be using is called Uber Suggest. All you just have to do is just to go to Google, then search for Uber Suggest. So you can see on my screen right here is showing remove from Chrome. And that's the reason why it's showing remove from Chrome is because I have already installed it, and this is it right here. But if you have not installed the Uber Suggest Chrome extension, you are going to see add to Chrome right here. So you make sure you install this software. I'm going to tell you the reason why as we move further. So then the next thing now is for you to decide a niche that you want to target. So let me use this as an example. Let us say I want to target hair salon in maybe California, for example. So all I just have to do is just to go to Google and type for hair salon in California. Let me type that and show you the results. So you can see right here, this is hair salon in California, and you can see what is here, 5,400 monthly searches. It means that in a month, 5,400 people search for hair salon in California. Just look at that huge amount of people that actually wants to do their hair in California. So without the Uber Suggest Chrome extension that we installed earlier, you are not going to know the amount of people that are actually searching for this. And this monthly search result that you can see here is part of what we are going to use in generating our report. So now these are the results right here. So you can see the first thing that Google brought here are the Google Maps suggestions. So you can see these are the suggestions on Google Maps, and this is our target. We want our clients to be among the first three right here. Just imagine how many customers these three businesses will be getting every single month. Because most people don't even have the time to start looking for other businesses. Once they see the first three, they are going to pick any of these three. So our goal is to go to view all and search for more businesses. Then tell them we can help them get to the first three. I hope you understand the concept that I'm trying to bring right here. So now these are more results right here. So you can see the Salon California, the Super Court, blah blah blah, and so on like that. So our goal is to go down, then to look for businesses that don't rank high enough for this search term. So let us look at something like maybe let's pick anyone. Okay, this one is temporarily closed. Let's pick this. So let's pick this hair by Adrena. And the first thing you want to do is that any businesses you are targeting, make sure that they have a website. Because if they don't have a website, there's a very low chance that you might be able to reach them and actually message them. Let us assume we want to help this business rank among the first three or maybe the top five or whatever amount. Or let's just say, or let us just say we want to help them rank higher. So all you just have to do is just to click on this. So this is it right here. So you can see the details about this business. This is their address and this is their phone number and so on and so forth. So you can see they have some pictures about what they do. So, and they're also very nice. You can see they have a very good rating. We want to make sure that we are trying to help business that have good rating, because businesses that have good rating, it means that they are actually doing something very good and they care about their business. So in order to now help this kind of business rank higher, what you just have to do is to make research on this business. So in order to make your research on this business, you need to go to most.com. Then you are going to check the listing about this business. So I'm going to put the link in the description below to help you out. So let me open a new tab and go to most.com. So this is the page you arrive at to make more research about the company. So you put the name here, this the address right here, and you're also going to put the postal code or the zip code. So what you just have to do is just to come here. You can see the company name. So let's go right here. Then I'll copy the name. So you can see here by Adrena. I'll copy this. Then I'll come here. I'll paste it right here. So for the street number, I'll come to the address right here. I'll copy this. Then I'll come here to paste. Then for the zip code, this is the zip code right here. So let me just copy this. Then I'll paste it right here. So then I'll click on check now. So let us wait for it to give us the results. So this is the result for this Adrena hair salon. So you can see right here, it has 56 missing, 33 incorrect, and 11% correct. So now let us look at what is wrong with this business. So you can see right here on Google search, their business actually exists, but their hours are missing. So if people see their business, they don't even know when their business is actually opened or closed. So it means that they need to add their hours on Google Map. They need to put hours. So you can see on Facebook, they did it very well. On Bing, they don't exist. This one, they don't exist. Or this one, they don't exist. Here, they have the hours listed, but they don't even have any photos. So you can see they have photos right here. And if you can remember when I showed you here, you can see that they actually have photos here. So you can see these are the photos that this business have uploaded right here. So you know that this thing is actually correct. So and right here you can see that it shows that it has the photos. So on Bing they don't exist. Foursquare, you can see all these places, they don't even exist at all. So you can see all these places, they don't even exist. So the only place that you can find them are this US info, Facebook, Google Map, and Google search. And it's only Facebook that they are like 100% okay. So what we are going to be doing now is this. So if this business actually give us the opportunity to help them rank higher on Google, so all what we are going to be doing is just to go to Google Map, help them put their working hours. We go to Bing, we list them right there. We go to Foursquare, we list them. We go to Hotfrog, we list them. Right, like right here, you can see they don't have any photo. We also go to help them put their photos. So all these places we are going to list them into all these directories. So that's just how easy it is. And that is not all, because that is not even enough to make it rank higher. So if you want to help them rank higher, aside from updating all this, the next thing you need to do is to geotag their photos. What I mean by geotagging their photos is by putting some codes into their pictures and uploading it back into Google. So when Google crawlers meet those photos, Google crawler will know that this photo is actually for this location. So since this business is in California, we can actually geotag their photos to show that this photo is in California. So let me show you how to do that right now. So what we are going to do is to go to the website called tool.goimgr.com. So let's go there right now. So this is GeoIMGR website. I'm also going to help you put the link in the description below. So what you are going to do here is to upload the image from the business. So then we are going to geotag it based on the location. So to upload an image, all you just have to do is just to click here or you drag an image. So let me just quickly drag an image that I've already downloaded into this place and show you real quick. So this is the image I downloaded from the business listing. So and I've uploaded it right here. So what you just have to do now is just to come to this image description, you write the name of the company, then you write the location. So let me do that right here. So what I just have to do, I'll just come right here, then I'll copy the name of this business. So this is it, Hair by Adrena. I'll just copy it. Then I'll come right here, then I'll paste it here. Then I'll put the location, which is in California. Then I'll come right here so you can see this map. Then I'll zoom in, I'll look for California, then I'll drop this pin right there. So this pin, let me remove this pin. So you can see this is California. California is CA. So I'll drop it right there. So now you can see this, you can see the new geotag right here. Then I can give it another name. Let me call it maybe Hair by Adrena. So the reason I'm doing all this is if Google actually sees this picture and Google is going to see this geotag right here, and Google will know that this picture is in California. So this will also give us another higher chance of ranking higher on Google search. So aside from you doing it for businesses, you can also do it for your own business if you have one. And if you don't, you can actually help people do it and charge them. So once you are through with all this, the next thing you need to do is just to click right here. Then you now click on download. So that's also once you download it, it's going to download it with these tags. So this picture is now going to be tagged with this location. So that is how you can help businesses rank higher on Google Maps. So now that you already know how to help business rank higher on Google, the next thing you need to do is to message them. So before we go into messaging them, let me quickly show you something at most local listing. So you come right here, then you can see export as PDF. So you click on this, so you'll be able to download the results of this. So this result that you download, is part of what you are going to send to the company as attachment. So when they see all this, they will know that yes, this person actually made research on us and this person knows what he is doing. So once they see all this, most of the time they are going to give you the job if they are actually interested in ranking higher, because they don't even really, most of them don't really have the time to go to all these websites to start listing their companies. Then another thing you need to know is this: whenever you are helping this business register on all these places where they are not listed, you need to make sure you are consistent. The name should be the same throughout, the address should be the same throughout, and the phone number should also be the same throughout. So you can see this, you can see West Shore Avenue 422 blah blah blah, or you can see right here 422 W Shore Avenue. So you can see that it is not consistent, and this thing is also going to affect their ranking. So you need to help them also correct all this. You need to pick a particular address and use that address throughout in all these directories. So with that being said, let's go into the mail that actually gave me the $200. So whenever you're going to contact the business owner, you need to make sure that your email should be able to grab their attention, and you should give an irresistible offer, and you should also have the urgency and a call to action. So let me now show you the mail that I sent. So right here, so you can see the subject, very very important. So if someone sends you a message and you see very very important as the subject headline, most of the time what are you going to do? You are going to open it. So let's see, their business name, Hair by Adrena. I was just checking the internet for hair services in California, and I noticed you are missing out from, if you can remember, the search result gave us 5,200 people searching for hair salon in California monthly. So you write 5,200 right here, the result that the Uber Suggest Chrome extension gives to you. So I noticed that you are missing out from 5,200 monthly searches, You write your name, I'm Abdul-wasi, and I just learned how Google ranks business just like yours. And I'm willing to help your business for free because people out there needs to know how great your product or service is. So then it keeps going like that, like that, like that, like that. So then right here, you can see this is my own call to action right here. Kindly contact me by replying this email if you're interested in not missing out on all the money that comes from Google monthly searches. So if you can remember, I've already told the person that there are over 5,200 people searching for hair services in California alone, and they are not even at the top. So our goal is to help them get there, so that whenever people search for hair salon in California, they'll be able to rank up, and they'll also be able to get their own share of the traffic. So that's just the basics. Then if you don't know how to get their email, all you just have to do is just to go to their website, then go to the contact me section. So let me just quickly show you how to do that real quick. So this is Hair by Adrena right here. So all I just have to do is just to go to this website and click right here. So this business actually use their Facebook page as their website. So what you just have to do is just to send them a message inside their page, and hopefully they will reply you. And one thing you need to know is this: most of the time, majority of these people won't reply you. So you need to make sure you send as much message as possible to different companies in that particular location. So hope you gained something from this video today. And if you don't know me, I'm Abdul-wasi, and I share different tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to make money online, just like what I just showed you in this video today. So please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell, and also give a comment in this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.